Welcome back. So in this video we are going to test out our cafe website to see whether it's working. So to do that, we are going to use this same IPv4 address, but this time we'll add what /cafe. Why is this so? We have our cafe website in the HTML directory, and it is included in it's all packaged in the cafe directory, right? So it's the HTML, the address will come straight to the HTML directory, but then to access the files it has to also go forward or further to the cafe directory. So all these files needs to be opened, right? So that is why we should add. So it's the public IPv4 address /cafe, and then we'll press enter. Now we realize that yes, the website has opened all right, but this is not the interface that we were expecting, right? We only have the title. And why is this so? It is so because when we were looking at the files and then how the website is designed to work, we realize there is a part of the index.php code that access certain parameters, okay? And then when we went to the parameters folder or the parameters file, it was also invoking some service. It was invoking the AWS SDK, which then also uses the sessions manager. So in this case, we need to configure, or we need to enable the EC2 instance to read these parameters right from the parameter store. And to do this, we'll also use another AWS service. All we need to do, because the EC2 instance only needs to invoke or access these parameters when a user or when the website is open. So we'll give it a role. We need to assign the EC2 instance a role to be able to access these parameters whenever they need be. It shouldn't be a permanent thing. That is why we are using the role. Great. So to do that, we'll go to the AWS IAM. Sorry, I have to just search IAM. Great. Here, right? We have to go, and then I want us to appreciate the IAM role, what it is in it. So under IAM, we can go to roles, and under roles, we'll go to the cafe role. So this is a role that has been created for us to use. It's an instance role. Great. So we can look at the roles to appreciate what we have there. I can just click here, and it has so a root, and this is the policy that here is. So the action is to invoke the systems manager and accept or access everything there. So all actions, right? All actions in the systems manager. And then the resource is also all resources, all parameters, and all resources in the systems manager. And the effect is allow. So we need to give this role to the EC2 instance so that it will be able to read all these rows and then serve as our web page as we need. So we'll go to EC2. Okay, I'll click EC2 from here, and I'll go to my instance. From instance, I'll click on the instance name, and then the check mark. I'll select the instance, go to actions and security. Under security, I'll do modify IAM role, and I will choose the cafe role, and then I'll update the role. Immediately the role is updated, I can go to my cafe web tab or my cafe website tab, the tab that I used to visit the cafe website. Click on refresh, and we should have our full website here. Let me zoom out, and then we have our full website here working. We can navigate through the menus, right, and even try to place some orders here, right? We can place some orders and submit order. So we have our order confirmation. We can go to order history, and then we'll be able to see the orders that we've made. I can go back to the menu, place more orders, right? So I have two. I'll have one of these and then one of that, and submit order, and when you go to our order history, we'll have two different orders. So our order number 1 and this is our order number 2. Right, so that is the beauty of our website. Now our website is fully running and it's dynamic, so we'll be able to do real-time orders. We're able to do what's per the customer feedback, what they want, they will be able to do that. All right, so that is all about this. I'll see you in the next video.